Grafana is an open-source tool used for A. Scripting and programming. B. Continuous integration and deployment. C. Cloud infrastructure provisioning. D. Alert, query, monitoring and visualizing. And correct answer is option D. Alert, query, monitoring and visualizing. Grafana is an open-source tool primarily used for alerting, querying, monitoring, and visualizing data, making it a key component for observability and understanding system performance. Which data sources are supported by Grafana? A. Elasticsearch. B. Prometheus. C. All of these. D. AWS CloudWatch. And correct answer is option C. All of these. Grafana supports all of the listed data sources, Elasticsearch, Prometheus, and AWS CloudWatch. Grafana is a versatile platform that connects to various data sources through plugins, allowing it to retrieve and display data from different systems. It supports a wide range of data sources, including Prometheus, Elasticsearch, AWS CloudWatch, InfluxDB, Graphite, and many others. In which format Grafana dashboard can be exported/imported? A. XML. B. YAML. C. TXT. D. JSON. And correct answer is option D. JSON. Grafana dashboards are exported and imported in JSON format. Here's a more detailed explanation. Exporting. When you export a Grafana dashboard, it's saved as a JSON file containing all the dashboard's configurations, including layout, panels, data sources, and queries. Importing. You can then import this JSON file into another Grafana instance to recreate the dashboard. How can Grafana alert users to important changes in data? A. Through email notifications. B. By changing the dashboard color. C. By creating a new user. D. By updating its version. And correct answer is option through email notifications. Grafana alerts users to important data changes by allowing users to define alert rules based on specific conditions or metrics, then configuring notification channels to send alerts when those conditions are met, enabling proactive monitoring and incident detection. Can Grafana be integrated with cloud services? A. No, it only works on-premise. B. Yes, but only with AWS. C. Yes, it supports various cloud services. D. No, it is not compatible with cloud services. And correct answer is option C. Yes, it supports various cloud services. Yes, Grafana can be integrated with cloud services, and Grafana Cloud is a fully managed, cloud-hosted observability platform ideal for cloud-native environments, offering integrations with various cloud platforms and services. What is a query in Grafana? A request to the data source for specific data. B. A type of user role. C. Visualization tool. D. A type of dashboard. And correct answer is option A. Request to the data source for specific data. In Grafana, queries fetch and transform data from data sources, which include databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, time series databases like Prometheus or InfluxDB, and services like Amazon CloudWatch or Azure Monitor. Which of the following is true about Grafana? A. It is paid software. B. It only supports time series databases. C. It is an open source platform. D. It can only be used on Windows. And correct answer is option C. It is an open source platform. Grafana is a multi-platform, open source analytics and interactive visualization web application that allows users to query, visualize, alert on, and understand metrics from various data sources, creating dashboards and sharing insights. In Grafana, what is the purpose of annotations? A. To mark special events on graphs. B. To create new data sources. C. To delete data. D. To change user roles. And correct answer is option A. To mark special events on graphs. Annotations provide a way to mark points on visualization with rich events. They are visualized as vertical lines and icons on all graph panels. When you hover over an annotation, you can get event description and event tags. The text field can include links to other systems with more detail. What is the default port for the Grafana web interface? A. 3000. B. 8080. C. 8000. D. 5000. And correct answer is option A. 3000. The default port for the Grafana web interface is 3000. You can access it by navigating to HTTP localhost 3000 in your web browser. What type of database is Grafana best suited for? A. Relational databases. B. Time series databases. C. NoSQL databases. D. Graph databases. And correct answer is option B. Time series databases. Grafana is best suited for visualizing data from time series databases, TSDBs, like Prometheus, InfluxDB, and Graphite, but it also supports other data sources like Elasticsearch and relational databases.